everyone, welcome back to another product video. For today's product, I'm so excited to show you guys this earwax removal tool camera. This is what it looks like. It has the tools and everything that you're going to need in here. It also has an instructions manual which helps you step by step, especially with downloading the app that connects to it. So you're first going to go onto your phone and download the app Suear, S-U-E-A-R. Go into my app store and download the app Suear. It should look like that right there. And now I'm going to take the actual device and press and hold a long hold. I'm going to take the actual device and hold the power button for a few seconds. Now you can see it is blinking. Now you're going to open your Suear app and you're going to press OK when it says, would you like to find and connect two devices on your local network? So you'll turn that on. Next, you'll see this little thing here. You'll press that, go to connect, and then it will take you to a button that says here, go forward to connect to Wi-Fi settings. It will take you to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, and you are going to connect to the one that says Suear down here on the bottom. So that finally connected. As you can see on my phone here, it does say connected and it shows you the battery percentage. Now I have my little thing here connected, and I'm going to show you guys how to put some of these tips on. So in the package, it actually comes with a few of these little heads here, as well as some different picks here. You are going to gently slide this silicone top off. As you can see, it just slid right off. The little compartment, it does have the extra little silicone heads that you can just pop out and replace after using. This is also super easy to remove. You'll just twist it off. And now I'm going to place this little head that has the little metal piece. Just twist that right on to the Endoscope camera, which is just the tip of the device. And just secure that with a good tightening. And you can see what my Endoscope sees on your telephone. I'm just going to place this into my right ear, and you are able to see everything that is going on inside of my ear whilst cleaning it. You can pull out what you'd like, and you can also take images and videos using this. So that is your Wi-Fi super cool Endoscope.